To fix low quality issue on HBO Max, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. If your HBO Max is playing low quality, then you just need to make sure to check internet speeds. HBO Max automatically adjusts the speed quality based on its speed. So it is minimum 5 Mbps for SD and minimum 25 Mbps for 4K quality. So you just need to run a speed test, and if it is slow, then you just need to switch to a faster internet connection. And the second thing is that you just need to open settings on a device, and from here you just need to click on the option of general and click on iPhone storage. So after clicking on iPhone storage, you just need to scroll down until you see the option of HBO Max. So click on it and click on the option of offload app. So sometimes by offloading the app, it may also help you to fix the issues or bugs which are occurring on the app, and it would fix the issue of low quality also. So simply reinstall the app again from here, and you just need to sign into your HBO Max account again and see if it is running on a very good quality or not. So if that is helping, that's good. If that doesn't help, then you just need to simply long press the HBO Max app and click on the option of remove app. So by clicking on the option of remove app, you just need to delete the app from a device and reinstall it again from App Store or Play Store. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to fix the low quality issue of HBO Max on the device. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.